the Burj Al Arab is gonna be so much fun. Yeah, I agree. But I wonder what the inside looks like. Red Triangle, do you mind telling me how long do we still have until we reach there?
10 minutes left. We're almost there.
10 minutes later, I wanna watch what happens, so let's get on with it.
Alright, guys, look!
Oh, so that's where it's at. Wait a minute. It's so magical.
It's really big.
It's on an island? Huh, didn't realize that.
Yeah! So let's get out and see the luxury.
Do not think it's a fight cloud! Oh my goodness. This place is huge.
Right?
Mixos fan 2015? You were right about this being so magical. Guys, look at the right side of the escalator.
An aquarium?
I know! So let's go to the escalator.
Wow! There's beautiful fishes.
Yeah, I kind of agree. Those are beautiful fishes.
Guys, look! There's a fountain here. Let's go check it out.
Whoa!
I know, right? And I have great news.
And what is it?
We're gonna live here for a day!
What?
How can you afford this? Secret. So what are we waiting for? Let's go!
Huh. This elevator is better than the other one. It was cramped there.
Yeah, this elevator is way more bigger than the last one. Okay, guys, are you ready to see the glory?
Yeah!
Okay, here's what it looks like.
It's beautiful.
It's all gold.
It's 2 stories high? Huh, didn't realize that either.
I know, it's huge. I also ordered some beds for us there.
Oh, okay.
Well, we should get some sleep because tomorrow we're doing lots of activities in the Burj Al Arab.
Alright, let's get some sleep. Good night, everybody.
Alright. Night.
Play button.
Also, I'm not Red Triangle add-in. Thank you.
The next morning, I just want to see what they're gonna do. So let's just get on with this.
Good morning, everyone.
Play button.
I had a very good sleep.
Yeah, me too.
So guys, let's brush our teeth and we'll get ready for breakfast in the ground floor. Okay guys, since we're all ready, let's go to the ground floor to eat breakfast.
Okay, guys, let's find a table for all 19 of us.
There it is. A table for 19 of us.
Great spotting, Flower Girl.
Thanks, Matthew.
Alright, guys, since we spotted our table, let's get our plates and start choosing foods and cereals and stuff. Ooh, look at these yummy food.
Yeah, it's so good. I'm gonna take the pancakes with Nutella and I'm taking the sausages.
I'm taking the cereal.
I don't think cereal.
I'm gonna take that too.
Let's see. Oh, they do pancakes. What else? Sausages, pudding, fried eggs. There's a drink. Apple juice.
Oh, look, Sayla, they have pancakes.
Ooh, let's get those.
After they chose their food.
Those are gonna be delicious.
Well, time to begin.
Once they eaten their breakfast. Now that's a breakfast.
Yeah, it's so delicious. Right, guys?
Yeah!
Alright, Red Triangle. Since we're done with our breakfast, can we go to the pool?
Yeah, let's go now.
Wait! Me and Mixelfan are both filled with paper.
And Brian, too.
How are we supposed to get in the pool without getting wet?
Don't worry, Dictionary. I have this giant waterproof bubble ball that we can go inside of.
Wow, great idea, man.
Guess that's something new.
Yeah, but anyways, let's go in.
Cannonball!
Hey, Red Triangle, wanna race?
Of course, man. Let's go.
Hey, FG, check this out.
Whoa, nice, Sonic.
2 hours late. Okay, Drew choke on my part. All right, everyone. It's kind of getting late, so let's get out of the pool, shower, dress ourselves, and getting ready for dinner.
Okay, Red Triangle.
This is a nice picture. Oh, yeah. When they prepared themselves for dinner. Yeah, sorry, everyone. Oh, my God.
Okay, everyone, let's go to our dinner buffet to get them inside our tums.
So what are we waiting for? Let's go! Okay, guys, we've arrived to the restaurant.
Wow!
It smells amazing here.
Yeah, I agree.
Well, let's get to our table and start choosing foods.
Ooh, look, salad, there's cheeseburgers.
Wait, where? Give me. Sure. Okay, thanks.
Well, that was strange.
Dictionary. Spaghetti. I'm getting some. You want some?
Let's have that.
After they're chosen their meal.
This food looks scrumptious.
I know, right? Let's eat this delicious food.
When they ate their dinner.
No, that's what I call dinner.
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah. But anyways, guys, we have to go back to our room and go to sleep because tomorrow we are leaving.
Kidding me.
Come on, guys, don't worry. There's a new destination that we're going tomorrow.
Well, where is that place?
You have to find out tomorrow. Anyways, let's go back to our room.
Well, feels nice to get rest after all that swimming. Good night, guys.
Night, I guess.
8 hours left. Hold it! Can anyone explain why the narrator for these time cards keeps on changing? What?
Yeesh, that was something. I guess we better head down to the breakfast buffet now.
I'm a bit stuck for options here.
Well, I'm gonna have the cereal again.
Well, I'm having pancakes with chocolate sauce, some sausages, pudding, fried eggs, and apple juice to drink again.
Oh, okay.
Hey, mix those fancy fast and 15. Where are the beans?
Oh, they're by the sausages.
Okay, thanks.
I've been staring at this all day. I still don't get it.
That was amazing.
Yeah, I'm kind of glad that Red Triangle took us here when he did.
Whoa. Slow down, guys. We're going to another destination.
Hey guys,
Hi, Manus.
how was the Burj Al Arab?
Amazing!
Yeah, we had lots of fun, didn't we?
Yeah, we're trying to go about the destination, which is... Atlantis!
Count me in.
What, like SpongeBob?
No, it's not like SpongeBob. Anyways, let's go, everyone.